Relations strong. Cortex, central Boston. Rapid
Okay, what's up, y'all? I'm showered. I'm ready to go. I'm headed to see Matt and Dean so we can film today. So I'm doing a little vlog, and we're also going to be filming some other stuff. So, stay tuned. Okay, man, that was a short trip. What's up, guys?
Hey. Guys posing over here.
Canadian doesn't know how to order from Dunkin' Donuts because there's no Tim Hortons, so he chose Dunkin' Donuts. So, shopping for that new couch is proving to be a lot more difficult than I expected it to be. But we're almost there. Thankfully, I got these guys.
Just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Hey, 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 hey.
Matt wanted to go to Venice Beach.
Yes.
So, we're at Venice Beach. This guy wants to go play in the sand, so I gotta hold the camera and film him while I'm filming myself. This is how you become a YouTube friend. What's up, weirdos? Okay, so you know I'm on Venice Beach already, and decided that we were going to meet some people, and I got a couple young YouTubers here with me who want to shout out their channel.
King Gamer 420.
King Gamer 420, nice to meet you. My name's EQ.
Nice to meet you too.
You got a YouTube channel?
No, with him.
You're with him. What's your name?
Jesse.
Nice to meet you, Jesse. Okay.
And he's part of it too.
You're part of it too? Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you too.
So what kind of games do you guys play?
We play Fortnite, Call of Duty Black Ops 3,
Yeah?
And what's the other game?
Oh, the pressure's on now. Come on, man. What's that other game?
FIFA. Yeah, FIFA 18.
FIFA.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like my videos. Turn on post notifications.
Si nos quedamos callados, la vida siempre será la misma. Lelo, lelo. Y si bailamos pegados, la vida no será la misma. No, 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 no. Te quiero a mi lado el resto de mi vida. Por siempre prometo hacerte muy feliz. Contigo me quedo el resto de mi vida. Te pido la mano.
Hi, Matt.
We're releasing Matt back into the wild.
Bye, everybody.
Until next time.
Until the future. To everyone, be weird, be kind, be human. Because if you bring a little weirdness into this world, humanity, humanity will prevail. Is that right? No. It's 3 in the morning.
That always gets you.
Te enamoras si nos quedamos callados. La vida siempre será la misma.